What's up, traders? What's up? Welcome to Tony FS. Welcome to my video. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a secret that has made me millions of dollars on the forex market. What I'm going to show you guys is you already know this application, investing.com. I'm going to show you how you can use investing.com to make money on the forex market, trading news. Yes, today we're going to trade Euro Zone deposit facility rate. Now, this is a secret I want you to know. Yes, we're trading Euro Zone deposit facility rates. Now, this is a secret I want you guys to know. You see, we have actual and we have previous, right? Yes, we have actual, forecast, and previous. As you can see from my charts, from my screen. Actual, focus, and previous. Now I want you to pay attention to actual and previous. Whenever the actual is greater than the previous, it means that the market will go up, and whenever previous is bigger than the actual, it means that the market will go down. Now from this chart you see that the actual is bigger than previous, which means we are going to buy Euro JPY. Now this is the chart. Let's open Euro JPY. Boom, this is it. And the news is coming on by 1:15. This is just 1:14, 1 minute later. Now the market is going to go up. Remember, that was the forecast. Whenever actual is bigger than previous, market will go up. Boom, boom. Now let's start closing. Start closing, guys. Good. This was the trade I opened earlier on. You see, guys, whenever actual is bigger than previous, market is going to go up and you're going to make money. I just want to show you guys this strategy really quick so that you will understand that making money on this forex market is very, very possible. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button.